Hello guys, today I'll be doing an unboxing and it should be my Dayan Lingyun, transparent Dayan Lingyun from Cube Depot. Okay. Yeah. It's hard to unbox this thing. Here it is. Huh, nothing else? I don't know what that is, but whatever. Okay, here it is, guys. Oh, here's the box for those of you that want to see the box. And then another thing fell out. Oh, I know what these are. They came from the box, I think. These little things that just pop out. Oh well, whatever. I'm not a big fan of boxes too much. Okay, cool. Wow. Wow, this thing is clear. Okay, first turn. Need some tensioning and some lubrication. Okay, let's take out a piece. That's how the edge looks, and this is how the corner looks. Yep. So it's basically just a Dayan Lingyun. It's just transparent. Oh, has a white core, I think. That thing inside of there. Yeah. So I will be making a review on it. These pieces are so hard to put in. Yeah, this needs tension and lubing. So yeah, look out for the review. I also bought Master Magic from Cube Depot. Master Magic from iCube Mart, and I got it in yesterday. And a Lingyun Master Magic from iCube Mart yesterday yesterday. Sorry, I'm kind of distracted. Someone just came in the door. Okay, so Master Magic Lingyun from iCube Mart, and also Lingyun Magic from the iCube Mart. I got a Master Magic because, well, I broke my ghost hand Master Magic, and I got a Magic because I was sort of I don't favor my Rubik's Magic too much, and a string came out, so yeah. So yeah, look out for the review of this, guys. Maybe in a week or less, who knows. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.